Hey guys, if Valorant keeps launching every time you turn on your PC and it's getting a bit annoying, don't worry. I will show you how to stop it from starting up automatically in just a few simple steps. First, right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. Or you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus SK to launch it instantly. Once Task Manager is open, click on the Startup tab at the top. This tab shows all the programs that start when your computer boots. Now scroll down and look for Valorant or anything labeled Riot Client. If you see it, right-click it and choose Disable. That's it, you have stopped it from launching on startup. If it's not listed there, don't worry, there is another way. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog, then type Shell Startup and hit Enter. This opens your Startup folder. If there is a shortcut for Valorant or Riot Client in there, just right-click and delete it. And finally, for extra safety, open the Riot Client, go to Settings, and check if there is an option that says Launch at Startup. If you find it, uncheck it. There you go. Valorant will no longer start with your PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.